Hey, what's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. I'm Vintage Rider. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to a city called Itirapina, and I'm going to camp. And the idea here is to camp alone. I'm not sure how the place is gonna be, but at least I'll be by myself. And my wife told me that I really need this time. So we're going to the Cachoeira do Saltão. It's a waterfall and a camping site. So hey, I finally got here to the camp. It's very good to be here, very quiet, and I can think about myself. I can read a book. I have no internet connection here. I have no cell phone connection, so can't call anyone, can't receive any calls, cannot look at my emails, cannot look at Facebook, Instagram. So it's very good to be away from the social media for a while. I'm really happy to be here. It's very calm, relaxing. Okay, so catch up tomorrow. Looking forward to look at these waterfalls and see how it goes. Alright, see you. Good morning. So it's 7 in the morning right now. The weather is not that great today. But look at this. Still waiting for the sun. But we catch up on the waterfall in a minute. So that's it. Let's go home. It's raining. My seat is wet, so but let's go. Let's hit the road. Okay, so that's it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to hit the like button, to hit the bell button, to subscribe, and if you like it, you may share it as well. And please leave in the comments what you thought about the video, if this is something that you like to see or not, and tell me where you're from. I really want to know where this video is going to. Alright, thank you very much. See you soon. Take care. Ride safe. Bye.